Hey YouTube, how are you guys doing? Today I am back with a Rotita try on haul, and we know the holidays are coming up. We have Thanksgiving, we have Christmas, we have New Year's. I have a variety of things to show you guys. A lot of it include this kind of like wine red color, but I really wanted to get into this haul because I have some really cool pieces. And last time I did a haul with Rotita, I really loved their swimsuits, their summer haul. So now we're in for the holidays, and I hope you guys enjoy. So if you guys want to see what I got from Rotita, then please stay tuned, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm also gonna have the clips on this side because these are full length outfits versus like the swimsuits where I could have showed you like the whole entire thing from a short distance. Anyways, gonna have the clips of me modeling the pieces on this side while I speak to you on this side. So the first thing is this beautiful wine color jumpsuit. You have sequins on the top, and it's also a mid sleeve, which I actually tend to like a lot because I'm short, so most of my outfits go way too long on my wrist. But I really like this jumpsuit because it kind of looks like a dress as well. It's very elegant. I think I would wear this to like Thanksgiving dinner, but I love how flowy this jumpsuit is. For those of you that want to know what size I got it in a size medium, and it fits really good. It actually gives me a little bit of space as well. I just think the small would have been too small, so I got a medium in like most of these, if not all of these clothing items. Moving on to this second dress. This dress is so cute. Honestly, you could wear this even like to other parties and stuff. It does not have to be a holiday party. You have the little off the shoulder, so you're showing some skin, and then you have this slit at the bottom, so it's a little bit more on the sexy side. I would probably have to use like double-sided tape on the right side where the shoulder is off because it does fit me a little bit like loose on that area, or in that area, but it's not a big deal. I really love how simple this dress is. I love the material. It's really stretchy, as you guys can see here. It's really stretchy. So I also got this in a size medium, and I love it. It's simple, and then like the little details like the slit, the lines, and then the off the shoulder just add so much. So this is a nice simple dress, but still really cute. Also, I almost forgot, I got this bag. So Rotita does have really cute accessories as well, and I was able to pick a few. So one of them is this little cute bag. Honestly, on the site, when I looked on the site, I didn't think it was this small, but when I got it, I was like, okay, that makes it even cuter. I'm not too crazy about the quality of the handle, if I'm being quite honest with you guys, but overall, I love how cute it is. It's perfect for like just a day out. It's perfect for any outfit, and it's black, so it matches with anything. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys this little bag as well. So this next outfit, you guys, when I first received this, I looked on the site and I was like, okay, this is kind of cute. I have nothing like this. I've never worn anything like this, but when I got it, I was like, I don't know about that outfit at all. This is one of those outfits that you have to trust the process. It looks so much better when it's on rather than when you just look at it, because when you look at it, it kind of looks like, no, this is not gonna be cute. But when I put it on, I was like, hold on, I actually really like this. I like the ruffled neck. I love the ruffled wrist as well. I love the design of this. As I said, when I first glanced, I was like, no, this is not gonna work. But I really do like this, and I do think that I'm gonna wear this like for something. I'm not sure for what yet, but I'm gonna wear this for something. This is very festive. This is for the holidays. I wouldn't wear this to anything else, I don't think. So I would definitely wear this to something that has to do with the holidays. I love this little detail on the neck, so I really ended up liking this one. This one actually shot up to one of my favorites that I got from Rotita. And again, I also got this in a size medium, and I love this material. This material is so airy and good and thick. It feels really nice. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So this next one is beautiful. It's perfect for the holidays, but it's also perfect for just like a really nice, elegant event. And it's one of my favorites. On the site, when I saw it too, I fell in love. First of all, I love the mauve type of color. I love the off the shoulder kind of detail. I love the sequins. I love how flowy it is. It's perfect. This dress, when I tried it on, it made me feel like a princess, which is exactly what I felt when I saw it on the site. So I was like, yeah, I have to get this. And guys, you can't beat the prices that Rotita actually gives you for these really nice quality dresses. Like, Honestly, I really love this dress. I do see myself wearing this more than once actually. And I love how flowy it is. It reminds me of just like the dresses that I was into when I was a little bit younger. Like it kind of gives that childish type of element, but really elegant still. So I do love this dress so much. I love the color. This is perfect for like a New Year's party. I would wear this to like a New Year's party for sure. And I would wear this, honestly, I'll probably wear it like every day. I love the feeling that this dress gives me. And I think this is chiffon material if I'm not mistaken, or it's probably a little bit thicker than chiffon, I don't know, but it's very airy and pretty. So it'll be even perfect for like the spring, summertime as well. So I really love this one. This is one of my favorites for sure. This next dress is also one that I wouldn't consider specifically only for the holidays because the color is a nice pink. I do love to wear like burgundy color clothes, especially in the fall and stuff, but this dress is so beautiful. It's super elegant. I love the material. It actually feels a lot more expensive than the actual cost, which, as I said, it's crazy that Rotita has these prices, and this quality is actually stunning. I love the details of the gold buttons because it makes it pop a little bit more. I love the contrast of the light and dark material as well. I love the material. Like I said this multiple times, this is on the warmer side, so it's perfect for like the weather right now, like probably in the 50s, 40s. You're still gonna get cold because it's a dress, but it's still really beautiful. I love how thick the material is, and again, I got this in a size medium. As I said, I think I got most of my outfits in a medium. Actually, I got all of them in a medium. So I have another honorable mention, which is this purse, because it's not an outfit, and none of the outfits that I got actually really matched with this one. So I just wanted to throw it in there. This purse is really cute. I love the different colors. So it does have the potential to match with a lot of outfits, whether it's basic or it matches one of these colors on here. It has 2 separate pockets, which I also appreciate. On the site, I did think it was a lot bigger, but I do like this little small bag because it's perfect. It's big enough to hold all of your essentials and still look really cute with just about any outfit. And this goes beyond the holidays as well because it's a purse and you can wear it with anything. Okay, so now I'm getting into some of my, I think the last 3 are some of my favorites in general, like throughout the whole haul. This next one, I've been on the hunt for a really good blazer. So a really good red blazer. So I love this one. It fits me a little bit on the bigger side because I think I did also get this in a medium, and on tops I could run for a small. But I still love it so much. I love how flowy it is. I love the gold buttons. I love that the bottom kind of ruffles out as well, and the material is really, really nice and comfy. So I love this blazer. In the video, I didn't wear it with anything under, but of course you can wear something under this. You can wear like a little, I would say like a black tight cami or something that's not too like flowy or anything. Something pretty like skin tight, so like the blazer can do most of the talking because this is definitely a statement piece. So I really do like this. Blazer. I'm definitely gonna be getting a lot of use out of it. This next one is actually one of my favorites for Thanksgiving. Like as soon as I saw this on the side, I was like, ooh, that's a nice Thanksgiving outfit. But now that I actually have it in my possession, it could be a nice Christmas outfit as well. I did also get this in a medium, and for some reason it kind of fits me a little bit on the bigger side. Still really like it's good because it gives me space. I do like comfy clothes, and also I like that this is really, really long. I love that this is a turtleneck, and what I love most about this is that it gives the illusion that it's actually 2 separate pieces, but it's not. It's one complete piece. Everything is attached, and I love those outfits like jumpsuits and everything simple that kind of just does all the work for you. You don't have to put anything really together. You just kind of like throw it on and go. This is that kind of statement piece, and I love the plaid. I love the detail on it. It's like the perfect colors for Christmas or Thanksgiving, the holidays, whatever. So I really love this one. This one was definitely one of my favorites for sure. I probably would add like a little belt to this to make it like a little bit more, you know, like cinching the waist a little bit, but I love this. This is definitely one of my favorites. It's nice and warm and cozy, perfect for the holidays. Okay, so before I get into my last Christmas, to my real Christmas favorite outfit, I'm gonna show you guys what I have on right now. This is a wine and leopard kind of dress. This is so cute. It's really simple. I love that this also, although it's a wine color and it also has leopard print, I'm not gonna move back because you'll see right here, but I love that it feels so comfy, which is why I have it on still. It feels really comfy. I love the mid sleeve is not all the way to the wrist, so I love that about it. And you can wear this like outside of the holidays as well. This is something I would wear to like Thanksgiving dinner with like, you know, the family or whatever it is, to the living room, you know what we do. But I would definitely wear this outside of the holidays as well. This is like a really pretty versatile dress, and I love the leopard and me. And now I'm super excited to mention like my top Christmas favorite, because it just screams Christmas. It was made for Christmas. So this shirt, this sweater, shirt, top, whatever you want to call it, it's so cute. I love everything about this. I think this is obviously perfect for Christmas, you guys. I mean, come on. So I love the little belt. I didn't even know it had a belt. I think online I didn't really see that detail, or I guess I missed it. And when I got it and I actually like adjusted it, I thought that was such a cute little detail to cinch the waist. I really love that. This is comfy. It's a nice sweater material. This is perfect. You know what I think this would be perfect for? Like SantaCon. Like, I don't know if you guys know about SantaCon, but it's like a thing where you go out and drink and all this other stuff. This would be perfect for SantaCon. So if you guys are going to SantaCon this year in New York City or wherever you're at, I don't know if they have it in other places, get this, because it's really inexpensive, it's really cute, and it's perfect because it's warm as well. The material is really thick and warm, so you won't get too cold with this. I also did get this in a size medium with some nice leggings or some leather pants, like whatever. This is 100% good. So this is my favorite for Christmas, and I paired this with the earrings that I got from Rotita as well, which are these little beautiful Christmas earrings, the Christmas tree earrings. They have a bunch of accessories that I would definitely look into, because as I said, they're inexpensive and they're really good for just like the holidays and stuff. So these were my favorite ones because I love gold, so the gold and green just did it for me, like the spiral little tree. So I paired it with this to give it like the full Christmas effect. And so that is it for my Rotita Christmas holiday haul. I really loved all of these pieces. I love them more than I actually thought I would. Like, honestly, I was like, okay, I don't know if I like this, but this is cute for the holidays. But I actually really do like all the pieces, and I'm gonna try my very best to like make myself busy enough to have outings to wear this to, because I really do like all the pieces. The quality is amazing, especially for the price that you get it for. Again, have another successful Rotita haul with you guys. This was a success. I definitely do think that all of these outfits are bomb. You guys, I told you guys my favorites and everything. A lot of them became my favorites. Some of them that I didn't think was gonna be like my favorite actually became my favorite when I tried it on, because the quality was just that good and actually surprised me. I was like, oh, I actually like this. This is dope. So anyways, please click the link in my bio. I will have all the information for Rotita in the description box below. If you guys want to check them out, please do, because I think that they have really great quality stuff. And if you guys want more hauls, then let me know. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow my TikTok, KissedByKen1, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!